In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Zoho Meeting. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Zoho Meeting all the way to successfully scheduling your session so you can confidently invite your team, clients, or partners. I'll keep things simple and clear, so even if you're new to Zoho, you'll be able to follow along. First, go to Zoho Meeting in your web browser and sign into your account. You can do this from the Zoho homepage or by going directly to the Zoho Meeting URL if you already have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged in with the correct work account, especially if you use multiple Zoho profiles, so your meeting appears in the right workspace. Once you're on the Zoho Meeting dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Meetings. This is where you manage anything related to live online meetings, such as upcoming sessions, past sessions, and recordings. Go ahead and click on Meetings. This will open a dedicated page that shows your meeting list and options for creating new ones. On this meetings page, you'll see a button labeled Schedule. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to set up a meeting for a specific time in the future, instead of starting one right away. Click on Schedule to open the scheduling form. Now you're on the scheduling screen, where you'll fill in your meeting details. Start by entering a clear, descriptive meeting title, so participants immediately know what it's about. Then, select the date and time, and double-check the time zone to avoid confusion, especially if your attendees are in different regions. You can also set the duration so guests know how long to block off on their calendars. If there's a description or agenda field, use it to briefly outline the topics you plan to cover. This helps everyone come prepared. If available, review options like enabling video, muting participants on entry, or restricting screen sharing, and adjust these based on how formal or collaborative the session will be. Once all the required fields are filled in and you're happy with the settings, look for the Schedule button at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking this button will save your meeting and create an event in Zoho Meeting. After that, you'll usually see options to copy the invite link or send invitations directly via email or calendar. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Zoho Meeting, and you're ready to share the details with your attendees.